How to View Sold Items on Facebook Marketplace 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your sold items on Facebook Marketplace step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 1. Go to Marketplace. Tap on the Marketplace icon at the bottom or in the menu. Step 2. Open your profile section. Now tap on your profile icon inside Marketplace. This will show your listings, active items, pending items, sold items. Step 3. View sold items. Scroll down and tap on the sold section. Here you will see items you have sold, sale details, buyer information if available. Step 4. Check messages for details. Tap on any sold item to open the chat. You can see buyer conversation, delivery or pickup details, payment discussion. Bonus tip: if you don't see sold items, make sure you are using the latest Facebook version. Check Marketplace under your listings again. Refresh the app. And that's it. Now you know how to view sold items on Facebook Marketplace in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want, I can also